What is the best way to error handle CSV file reading in Python? Imagine you are trying to read a CSV file and suddenly your program crashes because of a tiny mistake in the data or a missing file. That can be frustrating, right? But don't worry. There are simple ways to make your script handle errors smoothly and keep things running without hiccups. When working with CSV files in Python, the key is to combine careful file opening, validation, and exception handling. Start by opening your file with the open function and set the newline parameter to an empty string. This prevents issues with newlines messing up your data. Use the CSV modules reader or dict reader to parse the data because they give you structured access to each row. Wrap your file opening and reading code inside a try-except block to catch common errors. For example, if the file doesn't exist, Python raises a file not found error. If you don't have permission to open the file, permission error appears. And if the CSV format is broken or inconsistent, CSV error will show up. To handle these, catch each exception separately and decide what to do. Maybe you want to skip the bad row, log a warning, or stop the script with a clear message. It's also smart to check the content of each row as you read it. For example, verify if each row has the expected number of columns. If not, you can skip that row or log a message. When dealing with encoding issues, specify the encoding parameter when opening the file, like encoding is equal to UTF-8. If the file contains strange characters, Python throws a Unicode decode error. Using Pandas to read CSV files is another good option. You can set parameters like embed-lines is equal to skip to ignore malformed lines, and specify data types with dtype or converters to prevent type errors. Always remember to log or report errors clearly so you know what went wrong without crashing your entire program. For example, if a file is missing, tell the user or log it for later review. If a line is malformed, skip it but keep the rest of the data flowing. This way, your script can handle missing files, corrupted data, or encoding problems gracefully. In automation and scripting, error handling is especially important because tasks often run without anyone watching. If your script crashes, it stops the whole process. But with proper error handling, you can log issues, skip bad data, or try alternative actions. Combining Python's exception handling with validation checks and libraries like CSV or Pandas makes your CSV reading routines reliable. This approach helps your automation scripts stay up and running, even when faced with unexpected data or file issues.